Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at the custom number format in Excel. We have imported the data from our system and we have quantity and sales, but we want to show the sales using the thousand separator or the million, so that our data will simply show in thousands or in millions, and also our quantity will show in thousands. So we'll start with the quantity. So to do that, we'll select the column with the quantity, then we'll right click in any of the cells we have selected, and then go to format cells, or use the shortcut key Ctrl+1. Then we'll have the number formats in here. Then we go to custom. When you go to custom and you select the first cell, you see that one will give you 2 decimal places, so you can see the sample here. If you select the one with the hash, you will see that it means the hash will give us the separators. So assuming that you select the hash, then we'll get the separators. If you select the hash with the dot, then it will give us the 2 decimal places. We can try it and see. So you see that we have our numbers, quantity in thousands with the separators. You can still go to the number format, shortcut key Ctrl+1, and still go to custom format. And assuming that we want the separator, but we want our data to be in thousands, and here at least we want to use the key to shorten it quickly, we can just use a separator or the comma to really, that's 1,000, so it will be in 1,000. Then we can introduce a key. Normally we know in our world we use the key to represent 1,000. Where we say 2k, we know that we are referring to 1,000. So we open our inverted comma, then we put a key, then we close it, then we select OK. So you see that all our data in quantity has now changed to 5k. So this means it's 5,000, 12,000, 12,000. Assuming that if I want to have the 2 decimal places, we can still go to there and now introduce a point, a 00 in there, and click on OK. So you see that now we have 5.34 thousand in there. Here, to assuming that you want to put it in a format of million, simply the same way, we select the range, use our Ctrl+1 to bring out the dialog box. As for the format cells, we go to custom, and in the same way what we did, we can go down there, we'll see there, this time we want it, we are converting it into millions. You can still do the thousands, and let's see what happens with the figures in millions. So this is how we'll get it, which means this one is still in 1,000 but really it's in a million. So it will be best if we use the M to represent the K. So we go back to Ctrl+1, then where we have the K, we change it to M to represent millions. So then we click on, then we introduce a second comma, at least to move into the million. So it means the 1 comma will suppress it to 1,000. A second comma will really suppress it into a million. Then we click on OK. So this one means we have 1.23 million. This is how smart you can use the custom number format to really express your numbers in the way you really want it. Thank you very much for following us on YouTube Consult, and have a wonderful day.